Hello students, in the previous session we learned about the basics of latitudes and longitudes, and we also learned the location of India. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland of India extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. So now the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degree 30 minute north, divides the country into almost two equal parts. As we studied earlier, that all the latitudes which falls on the northern hemisphere is represented by N, that is north, and all the latitudes which falls on the southern hemisphere is represented by S, that is south. As we know, India lying entirely in the northern hemisphere, so all the latitude which falls on India is represented by N. That's why the latitudinal extent 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north as represented. Okay. To the southeast of the mainland lie Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal, and to the southwest of the mainland lie Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea. Do you know the southernmost point of the Indian Union, Indira Point, got submerged under the sea water in 2004 during the tsunami? Now, there is a unique name, Indira Point. What is this Indira Point that we discuss? As was seen in the map, there are 2 points. The first one is Indira Point and the second is Kanya Kumari. There are 2 locations and most of the students confused in these locations. If the question is like that, what is the southernmost point of the mainland of India, then your answer will be Kanya Kumari, which is located at Tamil Nadu, and Kanyakumari is also known by the name Cape Kemuri. Now the Indira Point. Indira Point is located at Nicobar Islands. As we compare both the point, that is Kanyakumari and Indira Point, the southernmost point of the India is Indira Point. If we compare the latitudes of both the location, the latitude of Kanyakumari is 8 degree 4 minute north and the latitude of Indira Point is 6 degree 45 minute north. Here we can easily see that Indira Point is the southernmost point of India. Now next, the size of India. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometers. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. From the given figure, it is clear that India is the 7th largest country of the world. So these are the countries and these are the figures of areas in square kilometers. As we seen clearly, India ranked as 7th position. First one is Russia, second Canada, third USA, fourth China, fifth Brazil, sixth Australia, and then in seventh number there is India. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers, and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 kilometers. India is bounded by the Yangtze Mountains in the northwest, north, and northeast. South of about 22° north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea in the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. Look at the figure and note that the latitudinal extent of mainland is about 30 degree. Despite this fact, the east-west extension appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India, that is 82° 30' east. Okay, let's recall the basics of longitude. The longitudinal line passes from North Pole to South Pole. There are total 360 longitudes. Two parts of the earth is divided from GMT, which is also known as Greenwich Mean Time. The longitudes which falls on eastern part is represented by E, and longitudes which falls on western part is represented by W. As we studied earlier, the India is entirely lying in the eastern part. So all the longitudes which fall on India is represented by E. That's why the standard meridian of India, that is 82° 30' east, is represented by east. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of the day and night as one moves from south to north. So, in the next session, we will learn about India and the world and India's neighbor. Thank you.